Introduce yourself. Tell me something about yourself. I'm sure you guys have come across these questions a million times in your life. Still, you struggle to answer them. So, in today's video, I'll tell you about some tips and tricks to introduce yourself. So, let's start the video. Okay, so the first introduction I'll tell you about is that student level. बेसिकली ऐसी कन्वर्सेशंस एक जनरल या बहुत ही फ्रेंडली इन्वायरमेंट में होती है जैसे जब वी इंट्रोड्यूस आवरसेल्फ इन अ क्लास or when we talk to a stranger, so like that, and it is divided into 4 steps, which are greeting, name, interest or facts, and closing. So you can start your introduction with words like hi, hey, hello, what's up, what's going on, followed by telling your name, like I am Aisha, you can call me Ashi. Then the third step is the most important. If you want, you can tell the listener where do you live, or you can skip it. Basically, you need to tell about your likes, dislikes, hobbies, and facts. Basically, everything and anything you want the listener to know. And the last step is you need to close your introduction but not the conversation. So don't use words like bye, have a nice day. Instead of them, use words like or phrases like can't wait to meet you guys, can't wait to know you guys better and spend time. Okay, so some examples are hey guys, I'm Emika. I have been born and brought up in Delhi. I am a school student pursuing commerce as I want to make a career in business management. I love to participate in debates and usually spend my time watching shows like Shark Tank. I am really looking forward to know you all. Or the second type of introduction can be what's up guys, myself Randhir Waghela. I am a Delhiite. I am a second year graduate studying architecture. I am crazy about traveling and can literally travel for 6 months twice a year. You can call me people conscious, but I think I'll gear up on this with your help. So the second level introduction is at professional level. This is quite formal and serious. Basically used when you are conducting a class or seminar, or when you apply for a job interview, or even when you introduce to your colleagues. Okay, so start with good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending upon the time constraint. And then, my name is Aisha Bose. Always and always state your complete name. Okay. Now, moving on to step 3, it's very subjective to person, and you need to tell what is more important in the perspective of the listener. So you can tell about your education and qualifications or past experience in the subjected field, or anything you think the listener might want to know. Okay. And step 4 is thank you for your time or looking forward to build up together. Basically a closing comment. So now if you are conducting or hosting a seminar or a class, you can start your introduction like, good morning students, my name is VK Sehgal, your tutor of European literature for next few months. I have an experience of around 2 years in this field and I know all the tactics that you people might execute, so keep a note. I'll help you learn mind-boggling things so that you can outsmart everyone. So pull up your socks and get ready for the best summer training. And the second girl is applying for a job interview. So she introduces herself as, greetings everyone, my name is Myra Oberoi. I am a final year student pursuing mass communication as I want to go in journalism. I have worked with Network Times for about 2 months now. I think your company can give me really helpful insights as it is one of its kind. So I'm really looking forward to work under the shadow of such talented people. So the last type of introduction is at commercial level. This is strictly professional and is company or product oriented. Basically, you need to talk about the product or the service you are having the conversation about. It is not about the person, but it is about the tangible thing. Okay, so if you are a manager at some company and you need to introduce yourself to your client or in a meeting, you can start like, good afternoon, sir or ma'am. I am Karanveer Dogra, manager at Sony Company. You might know that Sony is itself a brand name in the market, so you can never go wrong in picking this brand. As you ordered the PlayStation during a pandemic, the delivery might get delayed by 2 working days. Apologies for the delay. Thank you for making Sony a part of your life. So that's it if you are having a verbal communication. Also, if you are having a written conversation via email or SMS or text, you need to add your signatures, which are regards, KV Dogra, and the designation like manager, superior, advisor, anything. So, yeah, that's it, and you're good to go. Okay, so guys, that's it. Please don't learn or cram your introductions. Be spontaneous and adapt yourself according to the listeners. Also, if you still need any assistance regarding this, you can leave your introduction in the comment section below and I'll be happy to help.